So we have our game working pretty well. We can go over here and we can use our money to buy seeds, and we can plant the seeds and we can water them, but we don't really have any feedback as far as sound goes. And so it'd be great to add a few sound effects here. So let's do that. So let's go over to our sound panel right here, and let's think of the sounds that we want to make here. In fact, let's just go through our code first. So for actions, when we plant a seed, we're going to want to do sfx0, okay? This is our plant seed thing. So I'm going to use this noise and kind of just do something like this. That works pretty well. Yeah, okay. So let's do that. When we water the tile, let's have a water sound, sfx1. So this next sound effect, let's do a water sound. So I don't know, something that kind of sounds like water, like a bloop, 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 bloop. That's too slow. So I'm going to right click on this speed. Yeah, I kind of like that. Maybe a little faster. Yeah, maybe we'll take the volume down a little. Yeah, kind of sounds drippy. I like that. Harvest carrot, we got to do that. SFX2. Harvest carrot should be like a victory kind of sound, like a boo boo boo. It's probably too long, but let's take the speed up. Daily progress and battery change. Sure. Let's play a sound there. It's going to be sound 3. So like, boom. Yeah, sure. Okay, so that happens when we go to a new day. When we buy seeds, we're going to do like sound effects 4. So I don't know, something that sounds like buying seeds. I don't know, like a dunk dunk. Sure, okay. Then when we sell a carrot, that's got to be like cha-ching kind of sound. SFX5, that's a cha-ching. Like, okay, that's when we sell a carrot. Let's do a die thing. This is going to be sound effects 6. 6. Also going to play this if we run out of battery. I think that's most of what we're doing here. So let's try it out. Oh, if we don't have enough money, we need like a fail sound. So seeds are greater than 0. Let's say else SFX, and let's do, this would be 7. The planting fail sound. Do it faster. Yeah. So now, if we don't have money, or if we don't have seeds, good. And when we buy seeds, good. And then when we plant them, and we water them, good. And then we go to another day, cool. This feels like a real game now. Awesome. Let's sell them. Hooray! This feels so polished now. I love it. That's pretty great. Next time we're going to work on a little bit more of the visual feedback when it comes to running out of time and energy. That's going to be pretty important. That's all for today. By the way, if you're new to PICO-8, we have a free PICO-8 Essentials workshop available right here. And if you want to watch all the videos in this series, there's a playlist right here. See you next time.